Hi guys, how are you today? Um, I think nabasahan ninyo ang ako ang murag storytelling gamay sa akong page about sa akong experience when applying sa SSS loan. So right now, I'm here outside SSS compound. There is sa um, Jones pa ni or Osmeña Boulevard. And bago lang ko nakagawas kay na-entertain ako when I inquired about the status of my SSS loan.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, so storytelling sa Tagamay no. Last year pag yun din ako siya giplanuhan nga mag-loan sa SSS because I have something important to do with the money, and then nagpaabot ko nga maka halfway ang payment sa SSS loan kay that's the only time nga maka-reloan na sad ka. And moto siya nga pagka May, it was May 1 when SSS online website allowed me to file the loan. So, moto siya, May 1, na-approve akong loan application. Just halfway through, because normally 2 years to pay man na siya. And if naka-halfway na ka, so 1 year na payment, so you are eligible for a reloan. So, moto siya, May 1, na-approve ako ang loan online. So, there are two options when you file your loans sa SSS. First is online, and second is through kanang manual nga processing sa ilang office. So what I normally do is online lang siya kay mas convenient kanang you can just do it wherever and then just wait for the check to arrive sa inyong local post office. So before, ang normal processing is 2 to 3 weeks, and sometimes up to 4 weeks before mo abot ang loan, ang check sa post office. But this is actually my fourth time to process loan sa SSS, and something special siya kay 5 weeks na wala pa gihapon ni abot ang check sa post office. So again, 2 to 3 weeks ang normal processing time sa check. So 2 weeks wa pa kayo ko nag-expect, and on the third week as mo akong normally nga i-check yun sa post office sa third week kay maabot na yun na siya. The third week ni visit ko sa post office, and ingon sa katong concierge is wala pa daw ni abot ang check. So what the lady gave me is a piece of paper containing the post office phone number. So of course wala tayong mabuhat, and we'll just have to rely on the availability sa check. So the following week, fourth week, what I did is nanawag ko sa post office katong number nga ilang gihatag, and then again wala pa gihapon ni abot ang check. So almost every day ko ga-follow up kay who knows basin daig maabot na. But again, there is something importante siya kaya ako gamitan sa check, but wala pa man gyud siya ni abot. So otong sige na ko siya gi-follow up sa post office. Alright, so at the end of the fourth week wala pa gyud gihapon siya. So we decided kaya naman ko'y kauban kami ni Andy dungan nun mi og process sa loan last May 1. So we decided nga mag-visit na sad sa post office. So today is Tuesday, June 4. So moto ni adto mi sa post office earlier, and ang katong nagbantay dito, ang attendant is after checking the system is wala pa di daw niabot sa ilaha ang check-in. And so after that, we decided to mori na lang yun sa SSS main, just to inquire about again the status of our loan. So moto, as I've narrated sa ako ang page, I was quite hesitant to visit or to enter the office kay kasandor ako, and then naka-shorts so and sandals. And normally dili man na sila mo-allow og kanang something nga mga informal such as sando and shorts. That's what I know. I'm not sure if it has changed. So moto siya nga I was surprised because gipasulod ko sa guard without any judgmental look. So which is very thankful of. And then normally kailangan man sila tanan awan basta something different, unusual in mo ang suoton. So walay unnecessary nga objection when I entered the premises sa SSS office. And so moto na ay pagsulod nimo sa right side na ay customer service representative, nagyud siya sash sa iyahang across her body nakasulat nga customer service. So I inquired asa dapit mag linya for SSS loan follow-up nga mga inquiries. So she pointed me out to the line nga where we should get our priority number. So sa karong panahon kinahanglan jud siya priority number. Pero kasi naanad ka nung kay di man ikaw ang priority. Kidding aside, mo to siya, naglinya mi, and then about 5 minutes sa siguro among gipaabot, paspas lang siya ang turnover sa queue. And then when it was my turn, the lady asked me if how long ko ni linya, and so I said about 5 minutes, which is I think understandable, and di masad siya inanakadugay ang 5 minutes. So which I think is really fast na gani ang 5 minutes compared to previous experiences sa mga queue sa government offices. And auto natagaan ko priority number 138, and before they can natagaan og priority number, they would require you 2 valid IDs, and normally magdala man gyud og IDs, and so nihatag og ID duha. But just in case wala kay duha ka valid ID, pwede ra daw usa, pero you need to present an additional document, or maybe what she mentioned earlier is ATM card nga nakasulat ang imuhang name. So just to make sure to verify nga ikaw jud ang holder sa ID, ikaw jud to siya, and which is I think required nowadays. Okay, so change location. So ato diri sa kasagingan, actually di na siya saging, mura na siya ornamental plant. I think muna siya yung itsura, mo siya paypay nga saging, pinaypay, I don't know. But going back, so again, if wala mo 2 valid IDs, you can present 1 ID and then supplement it with another document. As what I mentioned earlier, pwede ra daw ATM nga na ay imuhang name dito And so mo to kakuha na ko og number, and then again 138 ako ang nakuha nga number, and when I check the katong monitor, ang deserve nila is number 98. So at the back of my mind, I have already anticipated nga it will really take a while for me to be entertained sa katong babay nga nasa na-assign about loans. So okay naman sad siya kay the weather is very hot, and then sa sulod aircon, so okay lang. And then I waited for about an hour or 1.5 hour if I'm not mistaken, and then when ako anang queue, so ako anang number ang um, i-display sa screen. So I went sa iyang desk. Okay, sorry for that. Napislitan ako ang stop button, but going back, so mo to ni-approach ko sa iyang desk. Then of course molingkod man gyud tanaw kay na may lingkuranan. And then mo to, I inquired sa status akong loan, so yan gid sa system. And what she said is pina-approve na daw, na-release na ang cheque, but they don't have means in tracking the check ug asa na gyud siya, because wala man na sa ilang system. So once the check is released, so it's just floating in the air, and mag-wait na lang jud ka sa time nga moabot siya sa post office. Again, we have been waiting for 5 weeks now, and wala pa gihapon na release ang cheque. So what she gave me is a piece of paper containing the check number and katong the date when na-release ang check. So from what she wrote, na-release siya May 2, so the following day, the day after ko nag-process sa akong loan online, na-release na din ang check, and surprisingly 5 weeks after, wala pa gyud gihapon siya. Of course, what we can mabuhat na kay I'm just waiting for the check to really arrive sa post office. Bisag unsa ako reklamo, wala gyapon mabuhat, so paabot na lang jud ta. Paabot man tas wala unsa pa kanang naagi paabot. So kidding aside, again, we're just advised to wait until moabot sa post office. So what I can do right now is to keep on calling the post office number and check if available na ang check. So again, I have something very very important na gamitan sa money, because if wala pa lang, I can wait up until next month, but sobra na sa next month, no? So they gave us 2 to 3 weeks nga waiting time. So wala lang, surprisingly wala siya niabot, and it's kind of frustrating. So by the way, I got a tip from a colleague. So as I mentioned earlier, there are 2 methods in applying your loan application sa SSS. First is through online application. Second is through manual application. So you have to visit the SSS office. So from what I've heard is when you process it manually, like matugid ka sa office, is mas faster ang processing. I asked the katong loan officer, ngun siya nga 2 to 3 weeks daw gihapon ang waiting time. So basically that's 10 working days. So mga 2 weeks gid siya. And then dili siya via check, but you will be issued with an ATM card. So I guess depende ra na nimo kung nagdali jud ka, and whichever is convenient. And I think ang inconvenience lang when you process the loan manually is ang kanang maglinya-linya sa office. And but I think okay naman sa siya, kay aircon man ang lugar, and convenient naman sa mga lingkuranan. So I mean, comfortable ang mga lingkuranan. So it's really up to you guys to decide if mag-online lang ba mo kung wala good mo nagdali, or if mas gusto mo dali siya ma-release. So I think it's better nga you do it sa office good, sa SSS office. So again, they are situated here sa Osmeña Boulevard. It's E-Mall, and I think they also have satellite offices sa Robinson's Galleria and Robinson's Fuente, but I'm not sure if mo process sila og loans dito from Moreno, murag diri ara gyud sa main hub ang processing sa loan. So again guys, hope na mo na learn today, And more to siya. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you like this video. And I think I'll just update you guys sa status loan application on my online page, Facebook page, Thank Me. And then hopefully I could also create a video once my release ng check. So that's a ongoing project, and I will still try to upload videos as often as possible. But then again, I could really not promise kay medyo daghan sa gibuhat aside from vlogging, nasa tay regular work and mga sidelines. So we'll just try our best. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for tuning in today, and hope you have a great day. Bye everyone.